The notorious Chrysler 3.6-liter Pentastar tick is caused by failing rocker arm needle bearings, and the only permanent fix is replacing all the rocker arms and lifters with the updated design before they destroy your camshaft. Dealerships often dismiss this sound as normal valvetrain noise to avoid costly warranty repairs. This specific metallic tapping from the upper engine means your valvetrain is actively eating itself. The failure always starts inside the needle bearings of the rocker arm roller. The bearings dry out and collapse, causing the roller to lock up completely. Instead of rolling smoothly over the camshaft lobe, the locked roller grinds directly against the metal. This metal-on-metal grinding creates that loud, rhythmic ticking sound that speeds up with engine RPM. Ignoring this sound leads to catastrophic camshaft failure. Once the roller seizes, it acts like a machining tool, chewing a deep groove directly into the camshaft lobe. If you catch the ticking early, you only need to replace the lifters and rocker arms. Waiting too long means you will also be paying for brand new camshafts and heavily flushing the engine to remove metal shavings. Finding the exact source requires a mechanic's stethoscope placed on the valve covers. The sound is usually loudest on the left cylinder head, but both banks are highly susceptible to this failure. The updated replacement parts from Mopar feature a redesigned bearing mechanism that prevents the roller from collapsing. Replacing these components requires removing the upper intake manifold and the valve covers. You must use the specific cam locking tools to relieve tension on the timing chains before removing the camshafts. Swapping all 24 lifters and rocker arms at the same time is the standard procedure to prevent a repeat failure on the older parts.